Hello everyone, welcome to Tanmay Software Institute. I'm Sonali and today we are going to focus on SQL Join. So guys, SQL Join is very much important topic in SQL full course series because in the interview most of the question are asked on joins, and we can say it is a frequently asked question topic. Okay, so join is very important. So I think this video will help you to prepare the interview question as well as practice for the practical session. Okay, so let's start. So I just want to give a brief information about the Tanmay Software Institute. So Tanmay Software Institute, this institute basically for the C, C++, C Sharp, .NET, Core Java, Advanced Java, Android, PHP, MySQL, Web Design, and Python for these programming languages. And another batch we are going to another course, or rather we can say batch course we are going to conduct, that is an Oracle DBA 12C and 90C certification. This is a completely online mode. We are providing the 100% placement under this, and we also provide the mock interview, and we can say interview preparation and resume building under the Oracle DBA 12C and 19C certification. Okay, so this kind so all students from the different professional courses like polytechnic engineering and other bachelor degree related to the computer science or computer application, they can join the Tanmay Software Institute. Here guys, this is a QR code. With the help of that code you can download the app. Tanmay Software Institute has their own app with the many features or advanced features, we can say, that will help you to improve your programming skill. And we have two branches in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. The first is located in Sidco and second one is in opposite to PES Engineering College, Panchakki, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. And these are the contact number. If you would like to know more about the Tanmay Software Institute, then please call us on these two contact numbers are there. Okay, so thank you so much. So now without wasting time, we are directly focused on the today's topic. So today's topic is what? SQL join. So first of all we will see what is an SQL join. That is, these are the content, and the first topic is introduction to SQL join, then inner join, then outer join. In outer join we can see the three types under the outer join category: left join, right join, and full join, and last one is a self join. So guys, we must understand that first what exactly the join. So join is nothing but to combine the data from the two or more tables. Okay, what is mean by join? To combine the data from two or more tables, or we can say to take a records or fetch the records from multiple table from and group it together, or we can say combine it together. Okay, suppose there is in two tables, one is student and another is department. So I can combine both the table. Okay, I can fetch the records from student table also and department table also and make them into a one table. Okay, so this is what nothing but the join. So joins, there are different types of the joins that we will see. The first one is an inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and last one is a self join. So guys, first of all we will see the inner join, and each join we will see in detail. Okay, so let's understand first inner join. So inner join is nothing but we have to join the two table based on some common column. So here you can see there are two tables like table A and table B. In table A, which is the column common column, that is student ID. Here also student ID you can see. And inner join, it is used to fetch only the match record from the both the table. So which are the match record based on student ID? Here student ID is 101, 102, 103, 104. Here 104, 105, 6, 7 and 8. You can see only 104 which is present in student ID in a table A, and 104 which is present in table B under the student ID column, in the student ID column. So only this record is what matched. So inner join, you can see in the diagram there are two table, table A, table B. Only this portion is nothing but the records which is present in table A as well as in table B, means only matched record from both the table that we will, or that it will fetch. Okay, so here when we apply the inner join on this both table, table A and table B, then we can understand we got only one record with student ID 1004. Okay, so here this is the result for inner join, when we apply inner join on both table A and table B. So we will get student ID 104, name is D, and their department is what? Mathematics. So we fetch the data from these two table and combine it into a one table based on some common column should present in both the tables. So you can see stud ID, this column, common column is, this column is also present in table A and this column is also present in table B. So whenever we perform a join, guys, you must understand that in both the table or in ज्या टेबलवर तुम्हाला जॉईन अप्लाय करायचा आहे, मग असं आहे का की तुम्ही दोनच टेबलवर करू शकता? नाही, तुम्ही 3-4 मल्टिपल टेबलवर ॲट अ टाइम तुम्ही जॉईन यूज करू शकता. पण त्याच्यासाठी कंडिशन अशी आहे की प्रत्येक टेबलमध्ये तुमचा एक कॉमन कॉलम पाहिजे. जसं ह्या 2 टेबलमध्ये जर आपण इनर जॉईन करत असो, तर स्टुडंट आयडी हा माझा काय एक कॉमन कॉलम आहे दोन्ही टेबलमध्ये, आणि त्याच्याच बेसिसवर मी काय परफॉर्म करणार आहे? जॉईन. So this is all about the inner join, and this is a syntax, guys. You should note down it. Select customers dot customer ID. This is a table name and this is a column name, and this is also a table name. Order is table name and this is a column name. From customer inner join करतोय आपण ऑर्डर सोबत. कोणत्या बेसिसवर? त्याच्या कस्टमर आयडी वर, बिकॉज ऑर्डर अँड कस्टमर बोथ हॅव अ कॉमन column, that is customer ID. Okay, so now next is what? A left join. If you use a left join to combine two different tables, then we will get all records from the left table. Okay, so in a simple word, guys, you can say that when we talk about the left join, so its left join is nothing but all the records from the left table and only matched record from the right table. So in this figure you can see there is two tables, like left table. Okay, this table we call it as an left and this table we call it as an right. You can see table A and table B. So when we apply the left join on this two table, means table A or left table, whatever the records it has, it display all the records from left table and only match record from right table which with the left table. Okay, so left join is nothing but all records from the left table and only match record from right table. This is nothing but the left join. So this is a syntax. So we can select the columns from both the table 1 and table 2. From table 1, left join with table 2 on table 1 dot column name, and this column name should be a same. Okay, on that same column name we can apply the join. So here we apply the left join, means we can fetch all the records from the left table and only match record from the right table. I think you got it, my point. So next is what? Right join. Right join is nothing but it is same as a left join. Left join means what? Means here we got, when we apply the right join on our two tables, means here you can see this is a diagram. Okay, and this is a left table and this is a right table. Means when we apply the right join on these two table, we got all records from right table but only match record from the left table. Okay, that this is actually not like the left join, but we can say it is an opposite to left join. Okay, in a right join we got all the record from the right table and only match record from the left table, and this is the syntax. We can fetch the columns from table 1 and columns from table 2, and from table 1 right join with table 2 on the basis of some common column. Okay, so here we have to provide the some common column. If guys you are not understanding here the syntax, how we have to use that syntax on a actual tables, so don't worry about it. Okay, I will show you practically how we will apply the different types of joins on a table. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now just understand the concept. Okay, what is a left join, what is a right join, what is a full join, what is a inner join. Okay, you have to just concentrate on this concept. Okay, uh, practically we will see all these things in very detail. Okay, so but I would like suggest you that you have to note down this syntax. Okay, because that will help you when I will show you practically. So when I will write a query, so definitely this syntax will help you. Okay, so next is what? Full join. Full join means what? See, in that figure, okay, this is a full join, means there are two table, left table is there, right table is there. So in full join is nothing but it fetched the record from all, not only record, but I can say all the records from the left table. Okay, all the records from left table and all the records from right table. Okay, so this is nothing but the full join. So full join creates the result set by combining the result of both left join and right join. Okay, you can also see, you can also say that full join is nothing but the combination of the result of left and right join, and this result set will contain all the rows from both the table. For the rows for which there is no matching, the result set will contain null values. Okay, so this is nothing but the full join. Full join means all the records from left table and all the records from right table, which is combined into a one table, that is called as a full join. Okay, here regardless of the matching, okay, जर match नसेल तर त्या ठिकाणी तो null apply करेल, पण सगळे records left table and right table मधले आपल्याला इथे fetch होणार आहे. And this is a syntax. Okay, select table name 1 column name 1 table 2 dot column name 2 from table 1 full join table 2 on the basis of some column, common column. So in the, you can understand here, the common column is very very important in both the table, because whenever we apply the join on the table, we must have at least one column is common in both the table. Otherwise we cannot apply the join on that tables. Okay, so guys, when you want to use and join, so just uh, we can say ensure that whether this both the table have a common columns or not. Okay, so next is what? Self join. So self join is nothing but, you can see, this is a one table and that table is join itself, है ना? That table is join itself, it is called as a self join. So here is the definition I have written over here. So join in a SQL, a self join is a regular join that is used to join a table with itself. It is basically allow us to combine the rows from the same table based on some specific condition. Okay, and it is very useful and easy to work with, and it allow us to retrieve data or information which involves comparing records with the same table. Okay, when we apply the join with the same table, then we have an option that is a self join, and this is the syntax of the self join, that select column from table 1. Okay, as aliases you can also provide join. So here when we want to apply the self join, so the syntax is, here you have not write a self join, you have to just write join. Okay, simply join on table 1 dot column name and table 2 dot column name. Okay, on the basis of some common column. Okay, so this is all about the join. Okay, so before this exercise, guys, I just want to switch my window and I just want to show you practically how how are the different joins are performed. Okay, so first of all, here you just see my database, and in that database I have a one database I have created, that is a student. Okay, in student, when I expand the table tag, then in tab I have in multiple tables. There are two tables, you can see, sports and Studinfo. So now to select the particular database, I have to write use student. Under student, I just select, okay, my spelling mistake, select. I just want to know the total number of records from both the tables. So from Studinfo, okay, and same query, select count of star. Star means what? All records. Star means what? All records from sports. Okay, guys, I just want to execute this. So here you can see from the table 1, okay, this is the result. In Studinfo, how many records are there? Total 24 records. And in sport table, how many records are there? Total 18 records are there. Okay, so now first of all, we just apply the inner join on this two table. I just want to comment it. Okay, Control K, Control C. I told you how to comment a particular line in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so this is a way to Control K plus Control C. This is a way to comment a particular line. Okay, so let's say select uh, stud. Okay, stud info. From stud info I want all records, and from sports also. Okay, I want all records. So that's why I have written here. Okay, select stud info dot star. Star means all records from stud info and all records from sports. Okay, from which table? Stud info. Okay, let's say if you want to use aliases as aliases, you can give a alternative name for this stud info, but I'm not mentioning here. Okay, and which join we need to apply? Inner join. So the name of join you have to specify, and that inner join is apply with which table? So I want to apply join with sports table. So we have to just write the name of sports, and then on, this is the on keyword, on the basis of which column is common in both the table. So stud id, this column is common in both the table. So I just want to write stud info dot stud id equals to sports dot stud id. Okay, so guys, when you select this, what is the use of inner join? Inner join is nothing but it fetch only the common records from both the table. So when you execute this, you can see how many records are there total. You can see total 15 records are there. How many records are there? Total 15. In stud info, how many values, how many total number of records it returns? 24, I think. And in sports table it was written 18. So in that 24 and 18, how many records are common? Only 15 records are common. That's why it displays only those records which are common in both the table. Based on which column name? Based on which, based on stud id column name. Okay, okay, next is what? Left join. I just copy this query. Okay, and instead of inner join, what I have to write here? Left. So guys, when you perform this query or execute this query, you can understand that what I'm saying, that all records from left table. So this is my left table and this is my right table. So स्टुडंट इन्फो मधले सगळे रेकॉर्ड्स मला फेच होणार आहे. मग स्टुडंट इन्फो मध्ये टोटल किती रेकॉर्ड्स होते? 24. आणि स्पोर्ट्स मध्ये किती रेकॉर्ड्स होते? 18. राईट. मग 24 रेकॉर्ड्स मला सगळे इथं फेच होणार आहे. आणि स्पोर्ट्स याच्यामधले फक्त जे मॅच रेकॉर्ड आहे ते काय होणार आहे? मला इथे फेच होणार आहे. आणि जे रेकॉर्ड मॅच होत नाही तिथे मला काय व्हॅल्यू डिस्प्ले होणार आहे? नल. ओके, काय व्हॅल्यू डिस्प्ले झाली तिथे? मला नल व्हॅल्यू डिस्प्ले झाली. आणि ह्या नल व्हॅल्यू मुळे तुम्हाला कळतंय की हा जो रेकॉर्ड आहे मीन्स स्टुडंट आयडी 111 अँड 112 विच इज नॉट प्रेझेंट इन स्पोर्ट टेबल. Clear this one? Means left join is nothing but it shows the result, it combines the result, all the result or all the records from the left table, that is a stud info, and only match records from the sport table, that is an right table. Okay, these are the only match record. Okay, if now I want to perform the left join, so sorry, right join. So this is all about the left join. Now suppose I want to perform the right join. So what is the right join? So right join is nothing but all the records from right table. So here my right table is what? Sports, and all the and only match record from लेफ्ट टेबल. मग राईट टेबल मध्ये किती रेकॉर्ड्स आहेत माझे? 18. म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम इथे मला डिस्प्ले किती रेकॉर्ड झाले पाहिजे? ऍटलीस्ट 18 रेकॉर्ड्स. येस, यू कॅन सी हियर टोटल 18 रेकॉर्ड्स आर displayed here. All the records from sports table and only match record from stud info table. This is what the right join. Now we will see how to how to perform the full join here. So what is the mean of full join? Full join, it combines the result of left join and right join. Means it fetch all the records from left table and all the records from right table, and the if any records doesn't match with each other, so it places that record by null values. Okay, that is nothing but the full join. And what is the keyword to apply here? Full join. For right join, we have to write right join. These are left join, full join, right join. These are the types of outer join, right. So instead of left outer join, what I have written over here, left join only. Okay, no need to write an outer keyword over here. So I just want to select this query to execute the full join result. Okay, now you can see here all the records from left table, all the records from right table, and that if the values are doesn't match, it fill by the null values. So these are also values are not matched with this column. Okay, so that's why these are values also fill with null, and these are also value with fill with null, because there is no match. So this is the result of full join. Full join is means what? It fetch the records from fetch all the records from left and right table. Okay, so this is nothing but the full join. And next is what? Self join. Self join, for it was we have to write only join keyword. We need not to provide the self keyword over here for the self join like the other join. No, we have to just write join keyword over here to perform the self join. So on the basis of which column? Stored info. Okay, so here also I need to change my right table, because in this case the left and right table are both the table are same, है ना? Both the table are same. So here I just want to change this, that is stored info, because I want to self join table with stored info. Okay, what's wrong with them? Stored info and stored info in the form from clause have the same exposed. Use correlation name to distinguish them. Okay, so I just want to give the alternative name or aliases s1 dot star, and here I provided s2 dot star. Guys, this one as s1 and this as s2. So here also instead of stored, what I have to write? S1, and here also what I have to write? S2. Okay, so I think there is no error. S, fine, execute it. So you can see these are the records, and all the match records with the same table we can combine over here. Okay, so this is all about the joins. So guys, I have done for today. Okay, and I have one assignment for you. So what we have to do, you have to there are two tables, salesman and customer. What we have to do, you have to just create this table with the column name sales name. Table name is salesman, salesman id, name, city and commission. And another table you have to create with the with customer, and their column names are customer id, customer name, city, grade and salesman id. And these are records you need to insert in both the table as shown in the figure. Okay, and then after doing all these things, what we have to solve this question. The question is, write a SQL query to find the salesperson and customer who resides in the same city. It returns salesman, customer name and city from the both table. ओके, सो मीन्स व्हॉट, काय करायचंय नेमकं तुम्हाला, की सपोज हा तुमचा काय सेल्समन आहे आणि हा काय तुमचा कस्टमर आहे. मग सेल्समनचं नाव काय आहे? सपोज जेम्स हुक. सो जेम्स हुक इट इज फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. मग आपल्याला बघायचंय की न्यूयॉर्क आणि त्याचा सेल्समन आयडी काय? 501. मग ह्या केसमध्ये 501 असलेला आणि न्यूयॉर्क मध्ये असलेला कस्टमर कोणता आहे? तर यू कॅन सी देर आर टू रेकॉर्ड्स वी हॅव, 5001, 5001. And city is same as New York, city is same as न्यूयॉर्क. मीन्स हा जो जेम्स हुक आहे त्याच्यासोबत किती 2 कस्टमर्स आहेत, निक रिमांडो अँड ब्रॅड डेव्हिस. सो बोथ customers and James are live in a same city, that is in New York. So that kind of data you need to fetch. Okay, so this is an assignment to you, and I have done for today, guys. Please let me know how was this video, and thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you again everyone. Stay happy. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.